Welcome to Cindy Eats. I'm Cindy. Hey. Amen, amen, amen. I got barbecue chicken, green beans with potatoes. It's washed out, but that's potato salad right here. And I just got a little white rice too, okay? For my drink, sweet tea with fresh squeezed lemon, okay? Let's eat, baby. Who cooked it? Me. No, I ain't made the potato salad. My mom made the potato salad. I know I got 2 starches, rather 3. My green beans were so good, I needed a little rice with the green beans. And Lauren don't eat green vegetables. I can't get her to eat them. But she loved white rice, so I made some white rice. A little butter and salt and pepper in the rice. I cooked deviled eggs and cornbread. I forgot the cornbread in the oven, so that turned out a little burnt. I ain't even serve that. My deviled eggs was a mess. That was too salty to me. Although somebody will probably say they're good, like my daughter said they're good. I mean, my whole mouth. Dang. Mmm. Dang. I really missed my whole mouth, y'all. My mama needed potato salad because you can't have barbecue chicken without potato salad. You seen it? Well cooked chicken over to the side. I'm really about to eat that. Let me get into the chicken. How's everybody doing today? As for me, I won't complain because it ain't gonna change a thing. Mother's Day is coming up next weekend. This is Sunday dinner. Y'all got plans for Mother's Day? I don't think I got any plans. I don't think I'm gonna make any plans. I say going out on Mother's Day, Easter, and Mother's Day, Easter. Maybe Father's Day is like the busiest times in the streets, restaurants and all that stuff. So I don't go out. Try not to anyway. But one of my daughters, she did just tell me she wanted to cook out for Mother's Day. And she can. And I eat. But I ain't doing that. It's good. It's real good. I wanted to fix this last weekend and I didn't. I don't think I cooked last week. I'm gonna eat them. And shout out to Jamia. She made that crawfish bread. OMG. She been on the Nola kick because she made boudin balls. TMV Nation made boudin balls. If I do anything this coming weekend, it's gonna be that. That crawfish bread and boudin balls. It looks so good. I don't have access to fresh boudin. It's not something our store carries. But I found a recipe I think I can make. That ain't gonna require no special treatment or nothing like that. I mean, special equipment or anything like that. So I'm gonna do that. If I don't do that, I'm gonna definitely get me some fresh bone-in fish. I've been craving it so bad and haven't got it. I really want some fresh fish. And the Candace posted a video with fish and the coleslaw with the hot sauce and the mustard. Oh, Jesus. I want that bad. So it's gonna be something. Y'all wouldn't believe it, but I'm sort of kind of full. Belching is a sign for me that I'm full. And you know what I'll be watching? Joel Hansen be eating all that food. I watch him eat 4, 3 smash burgers. Look like they have about 4 or 5 patties each in there. Hold on. Eyes be bad. And with a load of fries. Like, when I say load of fries, look like a whole bag of fries. I had like chicken tenders and mozzarella stick. How do they be eating like that? How? Judging by my size, you would think I'd be eating monstrous amounts of food. I can't eat food like that. Like, I'm really low-key kind of full right now. This last piece of this chicken is pushing it for me. That's the rest of that chicken leg. How does that work? I know it's metabolism. I also know one more thing for me. I know it is. I need to exercise. Ooh. It wouldn't be right if I ain't eat and not spill something, okay? I need to exercise. And I ain't even talking about no hardcore workouts. I just need to get up and move more. Because my job is a sit-down job. I do, try to go out on the weekends, walk around a few places. That helps. But I need to do that like 2-3 times out the week. And for me, I know it'll make a big difference in, the scale. Because I am losing. I am losing. I don't want to hold up my arm, but you see I got the little rolls in my arm. They're getting more and more rolly because I'm losing. I'm losing. Let me stop. I might cut that out. I don't know. I done cut this out a whole lot. A whole lot, okay? Let me not hold y'all. I ain't talking about that. And I don't want to sit over and pick over this food and burst myself, okay? So, if you made it this far in the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And in return, I'll give you 2 things back. The very first one is I love you. And the reason I show up each and every time is strictly for your viewing pleasure. Hope to see you next time on Cindy Eats. Bye.